Hello everybody, this is TechCut. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is, first off, as you can tell, I usually don't record like this, but I'm going to need to reboot the computer a couple times to show you how to do this. I recently run into an issue trying to run a virtual machine on this new computer I have. As you can see, if I go to start it, it's immediately going to throw up an error saying I cannot do this, that I have a hypervisor partition issue and VIRM not available. So what I'm going to do is show you how to fix this error. What you're going to want to do is go down to your start menu and type in update and security. Update and security. And sorry, I can't really do cuts and stuff doing it this way. But right here, you're going to go over to update and security, and then go down right here to recovery. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then right here, you're going to want to do the advanced startup. So I'm going to go ahead and restart this now and restart anyway, because I have somebody else on the PC. That is perfectly fine. Zooming on out, we're going to wait for this to do this. I'm going to restart anyway. And 3, 2, 1, boom. Now that we've restarted, what you're going to want to do is go over here to troubleshoot and go to advanced options. Here, you're going to want to go into the UEFI firmware settings. From here, it's going to ask you if you'd like to restart your PC. To do this, you're going to go ahead and click restart and wait for your PC to completely restart. While it does this, I'm going to give a little shout out to a video I recently uploaded on installing that guy. That is the AMD Ryzen 3700X CPU with the Wraith cooler. I'd highly recommend you go ahead and check out that video. Now we are in my system BIOS. Now what you're going to want to do, it should be fairly similar for you if you're running a different motherboard or different type of BIOS, but you're going to want to go to advanced mode. Go over to, I believe it's advanced, and then the CPU configuration. Here is where you're going to see this right here, SVM. This will enable and disable the CPU virtualization. You're going to want to go ahead and enable that. So if it's your BIOS is any different, it's probably under the CPU settings, and it's either titled virtualization, SVM, or whatever it may be. So you go ahead and do that, and I'm going to save this by, let's go back to the easy mode, and then save and exit. Okay. And now I'm gonna reboot my PC, and when I open up that Ubuntu virtual machine, it should have no issue coming on. All right, now we are booted into the computer, so I'm going to go back into VirtualBox and see if it displays that error again. So zoom on in here, hit start, wait for this to open up, and we are loading up Ubuntu. So that is how you fix that. Like I said, if your BIOS doesn't look exactly like mine, that is more than fine. Just go ahead and search up that setting for your BIOS, and you should be able to find it under the CPU settings, just as virtual or what I said earlier. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I upload a couple videos a week at least, with various computer tutorials and occasional Minecraft thing here and there, hardware reviews, hardware unboxings, and stuff of that sort. So go ahead and click on one of the videos on the screen to get started with my channel. Subscribe. Like this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you didn't, leave a comment, and goodbye.